We went simple this week. Watch me turn these 5 amazing ingredients here into this dish here. I'm the go-to chef, and welcome to the 5 ingredient challenge. Alright, so easy week this week. It is lemon garlic shrimp. And we're topping it with a bed of, we're topping it on a bed of spinach and couscous, as you saw from the picture just a few seconds ago. Alright, so what we're doing is we're mashing garlic here with a hand masher instead of chopping it. As you can see, it minces it pretty well, actually. So, got that tool, and makes my dicing easy. So you notice we're going to make this very quick for you this week. Don't want to waste a lot of your time. Alright, so we minced garlic. Okay, spinach. Alright, well, so we're going to chop spinach. Does not have to be a fine chop, just a rough chop. It's got to cook down. That's all you needed to do. You can get rid of the stems if you want, or if you are like me and you don't mind the stems, you can keep them on there. If you're looking for presentation, get rid of the stems. But this is baby spinach, so it takes a little bit longer. At home, I don't care. Alright, so we're going to pressure cook this shrimp though, okay? So with the shrimp, you're not seeing this in the video. I accidentally forgot to do this. I did it after I stopped the rolling. But you had your butter, you had some seasoning. I did not use Old Bay. I used tomato basil seasoning. And then I add the garlic. I did it after the video. My apologies. Next, we're going to prepare the couscous. Now, I couldn't find normal couscous without the box. I did it pre-boxed. If you follow the directions, 1 1/4 cup of water. Add some butter or oil. Add the seasoning packet. Take it to a boil. This is a very easy dish. Now, if you don't have a pressure cooker, put the shrimp on a stove and put a lid on top for about 15-20 minutes. But if you got a pressure cooker, 15 minutes. That's all you need. And it comes out nice and tender. I know. Some other culinary enthusiasts are going to be sitting there going, oh my god, what's he doing pressure cooking shrimp? Trust me, it's fine. Alright, so now once you got that boiling going for the couscous, all you have to do with the box stuff is just throw in the couscous, let it sit for 5 minutes, but take it off the heat. Don't forget to take it off the heat, that's important. Now we're going to go ahead and saute off our spinach. Now, this is where we're close to being done with the cooking process of the shrimp. So don't think that I just hop from shrimp to spinach and the spinach are going to sit there and degrade in quality. No, it's not. The shrimp is almost done. There's a reason you see some cuts in this video, is because I didn't want you to sit there waiting for 15 minutes going, oh my god, this is taking forever. I mean, heck, you don't watch the Food Network and watch them take forever in their cooking stuff. It's amazing how they pop a roast in the oven and pull it out 30 seconds later. Boom, it's done. It's going to be the same thing here today. But anyway, so saute off your garlic lightly. Do not cook it all the way. And then you add your spinach in there. Okay, as you see, it's overflowing the pan. Do not worry about that. Alright, what you're going to end up doing is you're going to go ahead and just end up stirring your spinach, flipping your spinach with some tongs. I recommend using tongs. It'll be so much less messier. Makes so much less of a mess. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, it makes less of a mess. And then as you stir your spinach, that's when you'll add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice as it's cooking down. Okay. And yes, if somebody who's wanting to be technical say, well, 3 teaspoons is a tablespoon. Yes, I understand. Some people don't think in those terms. So anyways, so I did about 2 teaspoons. I did 2 teaspoons of lemon juice when I cooked it, and you'll see. Now that the spinach is almost cooked, garlic's mixed in there a little bit. And this dish is coming together. It's a really quick and easy dish. And if you love shrimp, this is one of the easiest dishes you can make. And as you noticed, I used frozen shrimp. Anyways, besides using frozen shrimp, when it comes to this lightly sauteing, and I say lightly sauteing, make sure you add, a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Don't go crazy with it. I added 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. I know I said 2. I redact that. 3. Anyways, so this is, as I said, this is one of the easiest dishes you can make. I know I said that a moment ago. I think it bears repeating. is one of the easiest dishes you can make. But this part is probably the most technical part of the dish, the spinach is, because it can wilt so easily. I'm cooking it at a medium heat. You can see a lot of steam coming from it. A lot of that's from the lemon juice and the water from the spinach. We are lightly cooking the spinach today. We are not going to go ahead and overcook it and make it dark green and overcooked and brown. No, no. Lightly cook it. You only cook it for for about, I think it takes 3-ish minutes total time to cook. And once it's this nice light green, you just take it off the heat, put it aside, but you want to plate it almost immediately. So this is why it was one of the last things that I did before I plated my dish. And now we'll get to the plating. Alright, so what you want to do, put down a half cup of couscous. I'm using about a quarter cup here. I get it. I don't know where my half cup is. But half cup. Then you want to go ahead and add some spinach right on top. Whoop, wait for me a little bit. Add your shrimp on top, no sauce. And there you have it. Lemon garlic shrimp. And as always, enjoy.